Hi, this is Brother Jackie, wildernessmountainministry.org. I'm here tonight to sing you a song of Elvis's. It's called You'll Never Walk Alone. And we're going to give it a try as I'm pulling it up right now, so it'll be done by karaoke. So bear with me. Let's give this song a try. Coming right up. When you walk through the storms, hold your head up high and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm, there's a golden sky and a sweet silver song of a love. Walk on to the wind, walk on through the rain, though your dream be torn and blow. Walk on, walk on with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. You'll never walk alone. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. You'll never walk alone. Alright, Brother Jackie. Pretty hard, but I got it. Walk on.